Mom, what are we doing today?
We are going to have a family day.
Really? Can we go somewhere fun?
Yes, but first, let's have breakfast.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want pancakes.
Henry, can you bring the plates?
Sure, Mom. I can do that.
Lily, can you bring the spoons?
Yes, Mom. I'm coming. Look! The pancakes are ready!
They smell so good.
Would you like some fruit?
Yes, please. I like bananas.
Can I have some strawberries?
Of course. Here you are.
Mom, this breakfast is delicious.
I'm happy you like it.
Henry, where should we go today?
Maybe we can go to the park.
Would you both like to go to the park?
Yes, that sounds great.
Can I take my football?
Yes, but remember to take care of it.
Yay!
Can I take my skipping rope?
Sure, put it in your bag.
Are you ready, Lily?
Yes, let's go.
Stay close to us while we walk.
Okay, Mom.
The park looks beautiful today.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Can I play football now?
Yes, but don't go too far.
Can I play with you?
Of course. Come and play. Ready? I'll pass the ball to you.
I'm ready. Wow! I kicked the ball very far.
Great job, Lily!
Are you two getting tired?
A little, Mom.
Let's sit under that tree.
Okay.
I need some water.
Here is your water bottle.
Thank you, Henry. Mom, can we have a picnic?
That's a wonderful idea.
What did you bring for lunch?
I brought sandwiches, fruit, and juice.
Can I have a sandwich?
Sure. Here you go.
Remember to eat your fruit, too.
Okay, Mom. I will.
Mom, I really like family days.
So do I. Family time is very special.
Henry, what should we do next? Let's take some family pictures. Mom, let's take family pictures.
Come closer, both of you.
Okay, Mom. Smile.
That picture looks funny.
Yes, let's take another one.
You two always make me smile.
We love making you happy.
Can we come here again next weekend?
Yes, if you both behave well.
Today was one of my favorite days.
Mine too, Henry.
Thank you for a wonderful day, Mom.
You are both very special to me.